How to manifest multiple things at once. Have you ever wondered if it's possible to manifest more than one thing at a time? What if I told you that you don't have to choose between your biggest desires? Whether it's love, wealth, health, or success, you can manifest them all simultaneously. In this video, we'll uncover the secrets to aligning your thoughts and feelings with the outcomes you want to create, not just one, but multiple desires at once. These aren't just generic manifestation tips. We'll explore proven techniques inspired by Neville Goddard's profound teachings, methods that have transformed countless lives. You'll learn how to focus your mind, prioritize your goals, and master visualization techniques designed to amplify your manifestations. But that's not all. We'll also share lesser-known insights about how your subconscious mind holds the key to making this process seamless and effective. By the end of this video, you'll not only understand how to manifest multiple things at once, but also why it's easier than you think when you approach it the right way. From practical steps to deep mindset shifts, this guide will empower you to take charge of your reality. Stay tuned, because every detail we cover will be a piece of the puzzle you need to unlock your dream life. Welcome to Divine Reality. If you're ready to step into your full potential and learn the art of conscious creation, you're in the right place. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never miss out on our transformational content. Let's dive in. Before we talk about how to manifest multiple things at once, it's essential to understand the foundation of manifestation itself. Manifestation isn't magic, it's the process of aligning your thoughts, emotions, and beliefs to bring a desired reality into existence. It's about taking control of the creative power within you, a power Neville Goddard often referred to as the imagination. Your imagination, when guided with clarity and intention, becomes the bridge between your current life and the one you aspire to live. At its core, manifestation relies on a principle: your external reality mirrors your internal state. Whatever you consistently think, feel, and believe shapes your experiences. This is why Neville emphasized living in the state of the wish fulfilled. It means you must train yourself to think and feel as though your desires have already come to pass. When your inner world matches the frequency of your goals, the outer world begins to reflect them back to you. Now, you might wonder, can focusing on more than one desire at a time dilute this process? Not necessarily. The key lies in intentionality and discipline. Imagine your mind as a garden. Each desire is like a seed you plant. When you tend to all of them with care, visualizing, feeling, and believing in their fruition, they can grow simultaneously. It's not about overwhelming yourself with too many goals, but about holding a clear and harmonious vision for each of them. Another important principle is that time and space don't limit your subconscious mind. The subconscious can hold multiple outcomes as equally real when approached correctly. For example, Neville taught that feeling is the secret. If you can feel the joy of financial freedom while also feeling the love of a fulfilling relationship, your mind will accept both realities as true. This is where the power of focus comes into play. It's about being intentional with your energy and directing it wisely across all your desires. Think of it as creating a playlist of your dreams, each song representing a goal. Instead of playing one song on repeat, you can shuffle through all of them, enjoying each moment and trusting that every track will play at the perfect time. Before we talk about manifesting multiple desires, it's important to understand the techniques that make this possible. The first step is clarity and prioritization. When you're clear about what you want, you signal your mind to focus on those desires. Start by writing down everything you wish to manifest. Don't worry about limiting yourself, let your desires flow freely. Once you have them all listed, group them into categories: career, relationships, health, or personal growth, and decide which ones hold the most emotional significance for you. Prioritizing helps you avoid feeling scattered and allows you to direct your energy with precision. Next is the concept of living in the state of the wish fulfilled, a cornerstone of Neville Goddard's teachings. This means immersing yourself in the feelings of already having what you want. For example, if one of your desires is financial stability, close your eyes and imagine what it feels like to live that reality. Picture yourself paying bills effortlessly, enjoying luxuries, or helping others without worry. Combine this with gratitude and satisfaction. It's not just about seeing it, but feeling it as vividly as possible. Imaginal acts take this visualization further by creating specific scenes that affirm your desires. These scenes act as mental rehearsals for your success. For instance, visualize friends congratulating you on achieving multiple goals. Maybe someone's talking about how impressed they are with your new job while another friend compliments your thriving relationship. These mental conversations bring your vision to life and help solidify your belief in their reality. The eavesdropping technique is another powerful tool. Here you imagine overhearing conversations about your achievements. Picture people discussing how you've turned your life around or how your success is inspiring others. This technique strengthens your belief in your goals by making them feel real and tangible, even in your imagination. Finally, a disciplined mental diet is essential. Avoid entertaining doubts or negative thoughts that could weaken your focus. Think of your mind as a sacred space. Only thoughts aligned with your desires should be allowed in. When worries or fears arise, counter them with affirmations or revisit the feelings of the wish fulfilled. This practice ensures you stay aligned with the vibration of already having everything you desire. Before we talk about manifesting your desires, let's focus on the practical steps needed to maintain consistent attention and energy. Manifestation thrives on regularity and intention, and dedicating time each day is one of the simplest yet most powerful ways to stay aligned. Set aside even a few minutes daily to visualize your desires collectively. Close your eyes, imagine yourself living a life where all your goals are already achieved, and allow yourself to feel the joy and satisfaction of that reality. Group visualization helps you integrate multiple desires without losing focus. Another practical tool is journaling, which reinforces belief in the outcomes you're working toward. Write as if your desires have already manifested. Instead of saying, "I want to achieve X," say, "I am so grateful now that X has happened." Journaling in the present tense trains your subconscious mind to accept your desires as current realities. It's also a great way to track progress and notice patterns that might be helping or hindering your focus. Affirmations and gratitude practices are equally essential. Affirmations are like mental reminders that keep you aligned with your goals. Use simple but powerful statements like, "I am worthy of receiving all my desires," or "My dreams are unfolding effortlessly." Combine these with gratitude by listing the things you're thankful for, both current blessings and future manifestations, as if they're already yours. Gratitude elevates your emotional state, which helps to amplify the energy behind your manifestations. These practices, when done consistently, create a loop of positivity and focus. Visualization sets the intention, journaling reinforces belief, and affirmations and gratitude maintain high vibrations. Together, they form a system that keeps you connected to your desires, no matter how many you're working toward. Before we talk about how to stay confident in manifesting multiple desires, it's crucial to address the challenges that often arise. One of the biggest fears people have is splitting focus. You might wonder if concentrating on multiple goals will dilute your efforts or slow down your progress. The truth is, this fear stems from a lack of trust in the process. Manifestation doesn't rely on how many goals you have. It depends on your belief in their possibility and your alignment with the feelings of already having them. Think of it this way: the universe operates on energy, not limitation. Aligning with multiple desires is like tuning into several radio stations at once. As long as your energy resonates with each station or goal, they can all play in harmony. The key is to stay relaxed and let the natural flow of energy guide you. If you constantly worry about whether it's working, you create resistance, which slows the process. Trust that your desires are already on their way and focus on enjoying the journey. Another common challenge is feeling overwhelmed. When you have multiple goals, it's easy to think you need to work harder to bring them all into reality. But manifestation isn't about effort, it's about alignment. Break the process down into manageable steps, focusing on one or two desires during each visualization session or journaling practice. This doesn't mean you're neglecting the others, it simply helps maintain clarity and prevents emotional exhaustion. Finally, it's essential to remember that timing is not your responsibility. Sometimes we get caught up in wondering when or how our desires will manifest. This doubt creates unnecessary pressure. Instead, remind yourself that the universe's timing is always perfect. Trust that your intentions are being fulfilled in ways that will benefit you the most, even if you can't see it yet. By letting go of control, you create space for the natural flow of energy to bring your goals to life effortlessly. Manifesting multiple desires isn't just a possibility, it's a power you hold within yourself. By focusing your mind, embracing belief, and practicing these techniques with discipline, you can align with the reality you want to create. The process isn't about rushing or forcing outcomes, it's about trusting the natural flow of energy and staying consistent in your efforts. As you begin applying these methods, remember that repetition and practice are key. The more you align your thoughts, feelings, and actions with your desires, the closer you'll get to seeing them manifest in your life. So take your time, enjoy the journey, and let your imagination guide you toward your dreams. We'd love to hear about your experiences. Have you tried manifesting multiple desires before? What challenges have you faced and what breakthroughs have you had? Share your story in the comments below. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to Divine Reality for more powerful insights into manifestation and conscious creation. Let's manifest greatness together.